Hi, I'm a high school student and I help my family manage our mobile home park and rental properties. Today, I want to share what I've learned about dealing with sewer problems. When there's a sewer issue, the landlord is usually responsible for anything underground, up to the hookup that connects to the mobile home. If the problem is inside the mobile home or up to the hookup, it's the mobile home owner's responsibility. Even if a tenant causes a clog by flushing things like grease, wipes, or paper towels, it's still on us to fix anything on the park side. Step 1. Assess the problem. We start by asking a few questions to figure out how urgent it is. How long has the problem been going on? Is sewage backing up into the home? Can the tenant still use the toilet or run water? Is sewage leaking into the yard or onto the ground? We ask tenants to send photos or videos if they can. That way, we can forward them to the plumber. It saves time and helps them come prepared. Step 2. If it seems like more than just a clog, we call a plumber who handles both sewer line repairs and excavation. Not all plumbers do the same kind of work, so it's important to know what each one can do and call the right person for the job. If it's just a clog, they can usually snake the line and clear it. But if the main line is broken, leaking, or collapsed, it'll require digging and replacing the damaged section. Step 3. Check with the city or county. Major repairs may require a permit depending on local rules. Licensed plumbers usually handle this, but if they don't, the property owner has to pull the permit. Also, always call 811 before digging to have underground utility lines marked. This helps avoid hitting water, gas, or electric lines. Either the plumber or the property owner can make that call. So now here are a few tips I've learned from my family. Number 1. Keep a list of plumbers you can call in case your regular one is busy. Number 2. Know what type of work each plumber does so you can match them to the right job. Number 3. Take photos and notes during repairs. It helps for future reference and ensures the work was done right. And lastly, if it's not an emergency, get multiple bids. Big repairs can be expensive, and comparing prices can save a lot. Sewer and septic issues are just part of managing a mobile home park. Doing quality repairs is important, not just for health and safety, but because proper fixes last longer and save money in the long run. It's also key to educate tenants. Tell them what not to flush or pour down drains. And limiting how many people live in each home helps prevent overloading the system. It's not the most exciting job, but it's important, and I've learned how to stay organized and solve real-world problems. If you're into property management, leave a comment or hit subscribe. Thanks for watching!